Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of AI-generated coloring pages, perfect for both kids and adults. I'll introduce you to 3 amazing AI tools that make creating custom coloring pages a breeze. Simply prompt your idea and let the AI do the rest. Let's jump straight in. The first tool I'm going to introduce is iColoring AI. It's a free tool that requires no sign up. It offers the option to create coloring pages from text or photos and offers a free library of over 800 ready-to-use pages of different themes. The application is really easy to use. Simply type in what you would like to create. Once you have chosen your topic, such as a Santa Claus, the interface opens and it gives you some choices to further modify or enhance the image. For example, it lets you choose the theme, add extra elements, and choose the size. Once you have made your choice, simply create and the image will be ready within seconds. If the image is still too basic, you can give it an extra touch with preset options from the tool. Once you have created a satisfactory coloring image, you can download it by hovering over the photo. It can be downloaded in PDF or PNG format. Alternatively, you can start coloring the image online. Coloring online lets you color the image on the web page and you can download the colored version. iColoring AI also gives you an option to create coloring pages from your own photos. Simply upload your photo, click generate, and it will automatically create the coloring page of the image. It even lets you see the original photo and the creation. Besides this, you can explore the extensive library of over 800 ready-to-use coloring images. It covers the most popular themes along children, and all the images can be downloaded for free and without a watermark. The second tool I'm going to cover is ColoringPages, another free-to-use application which does not require registration. This tool is really simple and easy to use. Simply enter your prompt and the AI will create a printable or downloadable image. Compared to iColor AI, you might not get as many details, and if the prompt is not clear, the AI may struggle with providing good results. It may take several tries to get the exact result that you were hoping for. On the positive note, like AI coloring, Color Anything also has an extensive free library. There is a possibility to search images based on the keywords such as nature, landscape, or anything else. Overall, the application is really easy to use, and the best part of it is the simplicity. The third tool is ColoringBook AI. This application is the most advanced, but it also requires users to sign up. Like iColor, it also offers options such as text to images, photos to images, and a library of over 5,000 free coloring pages. On a free plan, you are able to generate 4 images per month, and the pages will have watermarks on them. Compared to the other tools, ColoringBook AI lets you go deep into the details of the coloring pages. You can use the difficulty based on age group, the dimensions, and batch, meaning how many samples you would like of a certain image. Of the 3 tools I have tested, it created the most clear images. Taking that this tool is only partially free, I would use it in case you have a clear idea of what you need or explore already available coloring images. Note that on the free version, all the pages will have watermarks on them. Overall, in my opinion, ColoringBook AI showed the greatest results, but on the negative side, it requires a subscription for extensive use. Also, while the interface may add to the details, having too many options can sometimes overcomplicate things. It is great to find already existing coloring pages, as there is a free library of over 5,000 coloring pages. To wrap it up, my most favorite tools were iColoring AI and ColoringBook AI, as they gave the best results. The third spots belong to Color Anything. I like that the interface is easy and straightforward, serving its purpose. This was my tutorial on how to create coloring pages with AI. There's a lot of other tools available that show great results, but many of them are subscription only. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.